Welcome to Nelly's Nook. My name is Nelly, and today I will show you how to make a lenticular pattern in Book Art Wizard. You will be on the main page. When you get to your account, you will have a template builder. And over here, we will do a lenticular pattern. Okay, so here we will have a centimeters or inches, and in centimeters you have 3 different sizes. Let's put the pages number. I'll put just 99 pages. This is not a correct for lenticular, it's just I want to show you how it works. You will put the book height number. Over here, if you choose over here centimeters, you will have the height in centimeters. If you choose in inches, you will have a book height in inches, okay? And here we have a single pattern. Just choose lenticular pattern. And you can choose if you want a 45-degree cuts. If you want an ink saver, click on it. If you want a full color, do not click on this one. It will create a full color pattern. Over here, you just choose 2 images. One image here. And you can crop it if you need to crop it, adjust it. And we will put another image. Let's do just pearls. Okay. And now we will just generate pattern. Okay, so this one will happen where one of the images will be too large. If it takes too long and you will have something that will just grind and grind and grind, it means that one of the images will be too big. This time it's not, it's generating because it has 2 images, so it takes a little bit time. Over here, the image will be always in the square, so this one is just a preview for your pictures, but it will stretch the pattern as it's supposed to stretch, okay? You will have a lenticular pattern right here. This one will be your folding lines in the middle. So if you want a bigger, I would suggest for lenticular foldings to pick either 1.5 or 1.8 size. I will show you the difference in them. So you have a more space for your crease. Right. So now you can see that the strips are a little bit wider, which is wonderful. And here is your creasing line. Okay, so this is a middle of your strip, right here. So we have 6 pages for this pattern, and you can review 3 pages if you want at the time, so you can see that the card, it's going pretty nicely here, so the pattern looks pretty good. So then you can just download it and use your pattern. If you don't wanna ink saver mode, you just take this one off, or if you don't want the lines either, you can take it off. I will just generate one more pattern for you so you can see how it looks in the full color. And that will be your full color pattern. Again, this is your folding line, okay? Here it's where you will crease it. And here are your cutting lines if you want to cut them 45 degrees. If you don't, you just uncheck this button, and it will create a full color button without the 45-degree cut lines. Here you go. So it's a nice and clean pattern, easy to navigate. Again, here is orange is your cutting line. The reason I put orange in there because you will see it on most of the colors of your pictures and the cutting lines. So hope this will help. This is our lenticular pattern maker. It's really easy, very quick. Without explaining, you can probably be done within a minute to create the pattern that you like. Thank you for watching. Join us, and hope you will subscribe for the book Art the Wizard. Have a wonderful day.